Don't be afraid. It's all right now. I'm back.
Is he talking to a dragon?
Who's there?
Yeah. Oh, what's that? There's some kind of... Let's go take a close... Be careful. Paimon doesn't have a good feeling about this. Paimon? All Paimon knows is that it's dangerous. Best we put it away for now. Okay, we... You don't look like citizens of Mon... Well, we're not looking for trouble.
That's what all the troublemakers say. And this mascot, what's the deal with it?
I mean, we've already been...
So to sum it up, well, look, it's not far from here.
Oh, aren't you out?
I am. Besides, I'm still not sure if I can trust you two just yet. Oh, I give. That sounded. Do you have some